What if I told you you don't need a degree, a big investment, or even years of experience to start making $1,000 a month online in 2026? Sounds fake, right? But thousands of beginners in the US and UK are already doing this quietly. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. First, let's be clear. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. No magic apps, no overnight success. But if you follow the right system, consistently, $1,000 a month is very realistic, and it starts with one simple idea. You don't need money. You need a skill people will pay for. Start with skills that are in high demand right now. Short-form video editing, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, copywriting, writing ads, captions, social media management, thumbnail design. These are beginner-friendly, and businesses are desperate for them. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better than someone who knows nothing. Here's where most people get stuck. They spend months learning. Don't do that. Instead, watch 10 to 15 tutorials, practice for 3 to 5 days, create 2 to 3 sample works. That's it. You're not trying to master it. You're trying to become good, enough to get paid. Now comes the most important part: getting your first client. Go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even better, DM small creators on Instagram or YouTube. Message like this: "Hey, I can improve your videos and help you grow faster. Want a free sample?" People won't reply, but a few will, and that's all you need. Once you get your first client, everything changes. Now, charge $50, $100, $200 per project. Work with 5 to 10 clients monthly. Boom, you hit $1,000 a month. Some even go beyond that. Here's the truth no one tells you. It's not about talent. It's about consistency. Most people quit in 7 days. But the ones making money, they kept going for 30, 60, 90 days. So yes, making $1,000 a month online in 2026 is real. But only if you learn a skill, take action fast, stay consistent, because the opportunity is there, but not everyone is willing to work for it. So tell me, what skill would you start with? Comment below. And if you want more real ways to make money online, don't forget to subscribe.